mga pag-bike ng maayos. Ayan, nagkwento na lang muna tayo. Tapos pahinga, go, bike, like that. Tapos meron ditong manok, dalawang manok. O, di ba? Meron sila ditong manok sa safari. Tapos ito si Horsey. Si Horsey! White Horsey, how are you? Ah! Oh, so pretty. She eating Horsey. Grass. Horsey White, how are you? Ah! She eating. Don't disturb him kasi kumakain siya. So, dito laro na naman kami ulit. Nagduyan kami ni Habsa. La la li la 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 la. Where are you going? So it's very nice here. See, little park for the child, and there is a flowers. This is in the Madam. In the Madam. See, it's nice in the Madam. So namasyal ang Bisaya dito. May horsey doon, oh, puti na horsey. Nandun si Kalbo, nakatambay doon sa, ayun, oh, oh, diba? So, kami ni Hapsa naglalaro kami dito sa Lalago. Yay! Diba? Ganda. Si Hapsa horsey. Si Hapsa this one. Wow, it's like horsey. I think not going up. Oh, why like this? Wait, should be 3. Soup. do 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 do. Horsey, 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 horsey. Na 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 na. Play the horsey. Oh, horsey, and dito may horsey na white. Yay! Side. Yeah. So it's very nice here. Yala, go. Let's play Habsa. Yahoo!